Thank you for joining us for another Intelligent Egg training program. In this series, we will be walking you through how to install, configure, and use the Recon Wireless Blockage and Flow Monitor iPad application. Now, if you have a brand new iPad, please go ahead and complete all the iPad setup configurations per Apple's instructions. And once you've completed the initial iPad setup, you are now ready to download the Recon app. And to download the application we're looking for, we're going to use the App Store in the iPad. You can see that at the top left-hand corner of my screen. We'll click that. It'll bring us to the welcome screen. You can download any application you may be looking for in this app. And to do that for our application, we're going to actually go to the search icon down here in the bottom right. And in the search bar at the top, we're going to just type in Intelligent Egg. And you'll see our company show up, Intelligent Agricultural Solutions. We'll click that and it'll bring up the different applications we have available. In this case, we're going to download the Recon Blockage Monitor app. So we'll hit the little download or install button and it will begin to download. Now once it is downloaded completely, you can open it either by hitting this open button, or you'll notice it has found its way to one of your home screens. It may be hiding in amongst some of your other applications, so just look for the proper Recon app, and you have successfully downloaded the app, and now we'll go on to using and configuring your system.